So we are from UAE University. We are the oldest lab in UAE. We are located in Ain Four. So what we do basically, this is our lab is for plant tissue, especially for the dates. We get the dates from, for example, we have like famous varieties. We get the offshoot. Offshoot is usually the plant, the mother itself, and then there are small plants. So we get the offshoot. From the offshoot, we get small something small, which is a kind of, we say it's the heart of the plant. We take out the heart of the plant, cut it into pieces, get it in the lab, do the DNA test just to make sure that the plant is from the mother itself. We have the DNA, we take the leaf and put the serial number, then we get to know that this is from itself, the plant is from the mother or from the same variety basically. So we get the plant, we get the heart of the plant, it's white in color, so we cut that and put it in this stage. This is introduction. In this one here, the plants, this is the black one, this is basically the media, the medicine. And it's a secret medicine, nobody knows except our doctors and the person who prepared it. It's under the code. So these are, we cut it, the offshoot becomes like, it's usually small white color piece, hard. Then we cut it into pieces like this, many pieces like this. So it remains in this stage for almost 2 years. But during these 2 years, every month we change the medicine, transfer it to the new medicine. And then after 2 years, we get this stage. This is multiplication. This stage, as the name explains, multiplication. In this stage, the plant grows and multiplies. So we get this stage, then we transfer it into a bigger pot. We get 3 pieces, and next time we get 4, 5, 6, like that. So after completing this stage, we get this stage. Here you can see there is a long plant. So we take this plant, separate it, and make it transfer into tubes like this. So this is elongation. We name it elongation with different media. For all these steps, we have different media. The colors are same, but it's different media. So it remains in this stage from here to here 6 months, and then from here to here we wait until we get the roots. So this is the roots. Okay, when we get, once we get the root, so that's it, the work for the lab is done. Then we transfer the plants into the greenhouses, in the pots. So we have the pots, we have our medicine inside, our media inside for the pot, and it remains in the greenhouses for covered in the tunnels for almost 2 months. So the plants grows, and then we have stages. From this stage, the plants grows to this bigger stage, and this is what we call VP3. So usually all this process from here to here it takes 3 years, and from here to here it takes almost 2.5 years. And yeah, from one offshoot, one small offshoot, we get 30,000, 40,000. The number multiplies.
Very long time.
Very long time, but it's time consuming. But the results are accurate. We do DNA, and we get more plants.
Okay, thank you.